A DWI is a very serious charge to have against you, mainly because of the consequences that being convicted can have on you for the rest of your life. Those consequences include annual surcharges to DPS, increased insurance rates for possibly the rest of your life, and also driver's license suspension. And that's not to mention the criminal penalties if you get convicted of DWI. If you get convicted of DWI, particularly a DWI second or a DWI third, those criminal penalties can be quite severe. What makes me a good DWI attorney to go to is my experience in handling DWI cases not only as an assistant district attorney, but also as a criminal defense attorney. I've handled every type of DWI case, whether that's a breath test case, a blood test case, a refusal, even an accident. You name it, I've tried it. And that experience enables me to find out in your case what mistakes have been made by the officer. And when I find those mistakes, and there always are mistakes that have been made, I know how to use those mistakes to punish your officer at trial. The second reason that I'm a good DWI attorney is that I have special training that other lawyers simply don't have. For example, I'm certified in standardized field sobriety testing. This is the same testing that the officer probably asked you to do there on the side of the road. I had to pass the same test to get that certification that your officer had to pass in order to get his. And because I know the protocol and I know how these tests should have been done, I know how to discern the mistakes that have been made and how to highlight those mistakes and use it to tear down the state's case at trial. When you get arrested for DWI, it's important to act quickly, and the reason why is that you only have 15 days to demand a very important hearing from DPS on the issue of whether or not your license is suspended. Now, at my law firm, I'm going to take care of that first and very important step for you to make sure that you're legally allowed to drive to school, to work, wherever you need to go. Now, if for some reason you've missed the 15 days and your license is already suspended, or if the suspension is about to begin, you don't need to worry. You can still come to me and I can get you what's called an occupational license in almost every case, and that occupational license is going to enable you to drive for up to 12 hours at any given day. Again, my name is Johnny Venza. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Sugar Land, Texas. I hope you've enjoyed watching these videos. I want you to call me today so I can start working on your case for you. My number is 281-971-5660. And please also visit my website at www.venzalaw.com. Let my relentless criminal defense work for you.